Go to Workshop tab and select Service Items under the Services tab. Service items will be displayed here. To add a new service item, click the Add New Service Item button here. Fill in with relevant information. You may add a new category by clicking on this new category hyperlink. Enter the name and remarks of the service item, and click Save to add, or Cancel to exit the form. Once added, you should see the new category in the drop-down list. Continue filling in with relevant information. Once done, click Save. The newly added service item will be shown here. To edit an item, click on the Edit icon button. Make the necessary adjustments, and then click Save to apply. Click on Deactivate button to delete a service item. To export items, click this Export button. A file will be automatically downloaded in XLS format. To add a service package, go to Workshop tab and choose Service Packages. The service packages will be displayed here. Click this Add Service Package button, and fill in with relevant information. To add a service to the package, click this Add Service button here. Search for the service item from the drop-down list. Then, click Save to add. The service item quantity and the unit price will be shown here. Click on this Add Part button to add a part to the package. Search for the part you want to add from the drop-down list. Click on this New Part button to add new parts. Once you've selected a part, click Save to add it to the service package list. The added part will be displayed here. You may also modify the quantity and unit price here. Scroll to the next field, and type in the package price. Add your remarks here if necessary. Once done, click on the Save button. The service package will be displayed here. Click on this plus icon to view the items in that service package. Click on this minus icon to collapse the list. To hide all the items, click on the Collapse All button. Click on the Preview button to see an overview of the package. You should see the package details displayed here. You may also edit and deactivate packages with the buttons here. You can also edit and deactivate packages from here.